no voice, so you might not be able to hear me. But this farmland, this entire space you can see is at my disposal this week. I'm trying figuring out if I go get a picnic blanket and go and sit in the middle of that field all on my own and listen to the birds. So that's the cottage I'm staying in. And there's a pond here. It's got lots of lily pads. That's the main farmhouse where the owners are. And this is a working farm. So apparently there's cows in the field behind me, and I might be able to feed some piglets while I'm here. Because apparently their grandchildren have a piglet each, and she said I could feed them. So how beautiful is this? Some lovely quiet space for a week. Beautiful. Right, time to get on the gin.